Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be solving the min-max sum. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're given 5 positive integers and we have to find the minimum and a maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. What? Oh, okay. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 1, 3, 5, 7 is equal to 16. Okay. There's the minimum, and 3, 5, 7, 9. 24. Okay. So that means we want to drop off the maximum for the minimum and the minimum for the maximum number. Okay. Seems fairly straightforward. What else? Complete the min-max sum function. The min-max sum function takes in an array of 5 integers. And we have to print 2 spaced print 2 space separated, okay, integers on one line. Okay. Constraints. Oh wait, no. Input format, single line of... Okay, we don't really care about that because it's going to be an array anyway, I think. The array, each element is going to be less than or equal to 10 to the power of 9. Okay. Seems pretty straightforward. Let's just confirm that the array is an array. Or not the array, but rather the parameter. Yeah. Right, so what now? Oh, there is an actual method here. Rmn console.log. Not a number. Max returns the larger of a set of supplied numeric expressions. Let a equal and then console.log a. Not a number still. Why? What's the return? Returns the larger of a set of supplied numbers. I feel like this should work. But it's not. The input is a list of values of type number array. If I just do this, will I get anything? No response. Okay. I'm gonna have to look at the documentation for... Okay, so... Oh, okay, we have to use this, I think it's coalescing? Oh, it's property spread operator. Spread syntax, that's it. Allows an iterable such as an array. Okay. So if we go back to what we had before, but we use this spread operator. Okay. Perfect. And I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a min function. Yeah, okay. So how do we want to proceed here? Do we want to pop the smallest or largest number out of the array? Or would we like to make a new array? Do we need to account for scalability here? Or future functionality? Well, the instructions here are very specific. It says 4 of the 5. I don't think it's appropriate to think about an increased sized array here. Like, for example, if we have to worry about 7 of 8 values, I don't think that's I don't think that's an important future functionality to think about. Only because it's a very specific challenge here. There's not really much room for dealing with future cases like that. So, in that case, let's create a variable let max equal this, and then we'll do the same thing for min. Let min equal math.min. Whoops. Array. I think can't see. Yep. Okay, so we now have the max and the min number. Actually, let's call this max number and min number. And then let max total. Well, actually, no, let's start off with the min total because we need the min first. I'll just reorder this just to look a little bit nicer to me. Let min total equal 0, and then for we still need to pop the number out of the array. Let min r equal array dot. How are we meant to pop it? Array dot pop. I've never actually popped in JavaScript before. We're gonna have to Google for that function, unfortunately. Well, this is only the last element. But it doesn't seem like it's popping either. For example, we don't want to remove the last element. We want to remove a specific element. Let's go down until we find the right array function. I think we could use... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. We can actually use this, I think. Array.sort instead of popping. It might actually be a little bit easier and faster. Let's actually do that. I'll comment all this out. So how do we sort by descending and huh? Constant array, yeah, I mean sort. Huh? What sort? What kind of a sort is this? 134, 10,000, 2134. It looks like it's ones first, then tens. Huh. If A is less than B by some ordering criterion, return less than 1. I'm not sure how I would use this compare function. So it looks like, okay. So this is the array. We have our sort function, and it takes in its own function as the parameter. So we sort it by, okay, A minus B. I'm kind of confused. Okay, so subtract B from A. Okay. I'm not entirely sure how subtracting B from A results in A being any less than B. How does it know it's the right number? Strange. But let's give it a shot. let sorted equal array dot sort a b a minus b. Is that correct? Yep, looks like it. And then for assuming this is sorted appropriately. Actually, wait. We can actually test it here. Console.log sorted. I forgot my colon at the end here. 2 7 69. Okay, yeah, sweet. It works. Right. Funny how this works. Yep. I'm just gonna count that to magic. Moving on. We can define our variables. Let min equal 0, let max equal 0. And then we can use a for loop to iterate through these values and add them to our totals. While I is less than sorted dot length I plus plus. Oh wait, it's not gonna be sorted dot length. It's gonna be sorted dot length. I could do -2 here, or I could do -2 and set this. Oh no, I can't set that to 1 because then I'm going to be missing that first variable name. So I'll do -2 here. Min plus equals sorted at position I. Console.log min. Let's see if we get the right min value for both test cases. Your output is 6. A sum. So, for example, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Minus 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then... So there's 5. 5. So the array size is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2 is going to be 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure how I'm getting this. It should be 10. Shouldn't it be -2 here? Because if I do... Hold on. 0. While I is less than... Oh, I can have this, actually. Right. Yeah. Or I can not have this and just change this to 1. And it won't really... It's the same thing, really. Yeah. I'll just go with this. Doesn't really matter. And then copy this, paste. Well, I is less than, let's make it equal to sorted dot length. While I is greater than or equal to, let's set this to 1. I minus minus. And then we will set this to max. And let's console log the max out. Not a number. What have I done wrong? Let I equal sorted dot length. So the length should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So this should result in 5. Now while I of 5 is greater than or equal to 1, oh, wait a minute. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's yeah, that's why. Because there's no position 5 in the array. So if we just add a minus here, that's my fixed goal. Yeah, okay, sweet. 14, sweet. Alright, so we now have 2 for loops to find the min and the max. And basically all we're doing is we're ignoring just one value in the array. We're not counting the entire array, just one value. And we're sorting out the array initially to be in ascending order, just so we know we're counting the correct values. Are we meant to return anything? It just says print, doesn't say return. So console.log min max should be fine. Plus. Okay. I think this is it. Sweet. Let's just have a little quick review. Oh, let's delete this unused code. So again, we're sorting the array into ascending order, creating some variables to hold the total values. We're finding the min number by going through the array and adding all values but the last value. We're going through the array again and adding all values but the first value. And we're just concatenating them both into a string here. Sweet. Let's see if it all passes. Nice, everything passed. Yeah, that was fairly easy. It was pretty nice that we refer to the documentation here and learned how this sort function works. I'm still not entirely sure how this function here is working. It seems like it's a little bit. It's a little comparison function, compare function. Let's actually just have a quick read. If the compare function is supplied, all non-undefined array elements are sorted according to the return value of the compare function. If A and B are two elements being compared, then returns a value greater than 0, sort B before A. Greater than or equal to 0, if A and B in the same order. So even though it's returning A and B, it's more so like it's more so just a weird way of writing an if statement, an if comparison kind of. So if A is less than B, put A in first. So is 4 greater than 2? No. Is 4 less than 5? Yep, put 4 in first. Or I'm not sure what sort of sorting algorithm we would use. Bubble sort, whatever. It might just, if 4 is not greater than 2, it might just skip to 2, probably. But yeah, it's a weird way of sorting. We could have written our own sort function using our own collection of if blocks. I don't think that would have been worthwhile though. It's much easier, much more time efficient to use this. But hopefully sometime in the near future we can start looking at bubble sorts and many other sorting algorithms. But until then, stay tuned, enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you later.